After all those desserts and sweets, it was high time to make something healthier. So here we are with our sugar-free, gluten-free, healthy cinnamon bowls. You'll be needing 250 gram nuts of your choice. I had some almond slices left and some hazelnuts flying around, so here I grind them in my small kitchen machine. Then you'll need about 10 dates. I say about 10 because there are many different kinds of dates. Mine were real soft and sweet, so 10 were enough. To make this a bit smoother, you can add 1 tablespoon of butter, or for our vegan friends, some coconut oil would work as well. The dates should be run through a kitchen machine or blender as well. And I left some of the nuts in there too, so that they can get incorporated as well. Now just get them all in a bowl and knead them thoroughly. As the dates make this real sticky, you'll want to make your hands a bit wet and form the balls between your palms. Bake these yummies at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. You can get them out earlier if you want to have them softer and moister. I had to keep mine longer as my mom can't handle raw hazelnuts, and 15 minutes are fine for roasting those. Ladies and gentlemen, this was day 23. This calendar is almost over. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our maybe last video. See you tomorrow!